In this video, you will learn how to set up your Payout account on Instagram. Open Instagram and go to your settings. Launch the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon, then go to settings. Access creator or business settings. Select creator or business from the settings menu to access your monetization options. Navigate to the payout settings. Tap payout or payout settings to begin the setup for your account to start receiving earnings. Select your payout method. Choose your preferred payout method. This could be a bank account or PayPal, depending on your availability and your region. Enter your account details. Fill in the required information from your chosen payout method, including your account number, email or bank details. Verify then save. Double check your details and verify your account if required. Then save your settings to complete your payout. Now you know how to set up your payout account on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.